1. The Earth's evolution and cosmic intervention. 1-1Y 2025 marks a turning point. The year 2025 is anticipated to bring significant changes to Earth's energy and humanity's consciousness. This transformation is linked to shifts in global awareness and natural cosmic cycles, aligning humanity with a more unified and harmonious existence. Scientific studies indicate that solar activity peaks in cycles approximately every 11 years, influencing Earth's magnetic field. NASA data highlights how these solar cycles correlate with societal changes, emphasizing the connection between cosmic phenomena and human evolution. In recent years, events like climate change and global political movements have shown humanity's resilience and capacity for adaptation. For example, international agreements like the Paris Climate Accord aim to unite nations for collective environmental action. This alignment of cosmic cycles, scientific understanding, and collective human effort highlights why 2025 could become a pivotal year for planetary transformation. 1-2 The role of cosmic forces in Earth's shift. Cosmic forces, including influences from celestial bodies and solar energies, play a crucial role in Earth's development. They provide opportunities for humanity to rise above challenges and align with higher vibrational states. Astrophysical research has revealed how gravitational forces from celestial bodies impact Earth's tectonic activities and climate systems. This underscores the interconnectedness of cosmic phenomena and Earth's evolution. A practical example of these influences is the observation of auroras during solar flares. These natural displays result from Earth's magnetic field interacting with solar winds, visually reminding us of the cosmic forces at work. Recognizing the impact of these forces can inspire humanity to harmonize with nature and embrace a transformative future. 1-3 Humanity's role in this transformation. As Earth undergoes changes, humanity has a unique opportunity to influence the outcome. By fostering unity and focusing on sustainability, people can ensure a positive transformation for future generations. Data from organizations like the United Nations highlight that global cooperation has already achieved significant progress, such as reducing extreme poverty and promoting renewable energy. These successes illustrate the potential of collective human effort. One example is Japan's shift toward renewable energy after the 2011 Fukushima disaster. This transition reflects how challenges can catalyze progress when driven by a shared vision. Humanity's proactive role in this cosmic alignment emphasizes the importance of collective action in shaping a brighter future for Earth. 2. Division and unity in 2025, humanity's role. 2-1 The necessity of destruction and rebirth. Major transformations often require breaking old systems to make way for new ones. In 2025, humanity faces such a process, where division may precede unity, creating opportunities for collective growth. Historical patterns show that societal change often emerges after periods of turmoil. For instance, data from the World Bank highlights economic recovery following significant global crises, such as the 2008 financial meltdown. The aftermath of World War II exemplifies how destruction led to the creation of lasting institutions like the United Nations, fostering peace and cooperation worldwide. Understanding destruction as part of a cycle of renewal allows humanity to embrace change as a pathway to a stronger, unified future. 2-2 Japan's unique role in global transformation. Japan holds a pivotal role in leading humanity toward unity and growth. Given its cultural values and historical resilience, its global influence lies in harmonizing technological innovation with deep-rooted traditions. Studies by the OECD reveal that Japan excels in environmental technologies, such as renewable energy advancements, showcasing its potential to lead sustainable initiatives globally. Following the 2011 Fukushima disaster, Japan demonstrated resilience by implementing stricter safety measures and transitioning toward renewable energy, serving as an example of progress amid adversity. Japan's commitment to balancing modernization with tradition positions it as a guide for other nations in navigating global transformation. 2-3 A roadmap to overcoming division. To bridge divisions and foster unity, humanity must prioritize understanding, empathy, and collaboration. These principles can create stronger connections between diverse groups and ensure a collective path forward. Psychological studies indicate that dialogue and shared goals reduce conflicts, as seen in community-building initiatives across various cultures. These findings emphasize the value of interpersonal connection in resolving differences. An example is the European Union's effort to unite diverse nations through economic cooperation and shared governance, proving the power of unity in addressing global challenges. By focusing on mutual respect and collaboration, humanity can transform division into a stepping stone toward a united and prosperous world. 3. Ascension and growth, steps toward a unified future. 3-1 Raising vibrations to perceive truth. Elevating personal and collective awareness is essential for navigating future challenges. By enhancing emotional and spiritual clarity, individuals can better discern truth and foster meaningful connections. Research from Harvard University emphasizes the benefits of mindfulness practices, which improve focus and emotional resilience. These skills are crucial for understanding complex societal issues. For instance, Japan's tradition of meditation and mindfulness practices, such as Zazen, has helped individuals achieve balance and clarity, showcasing the power of inner awareness. By cultivating mindfulness and emotional intelligence, humanity can navigate uncertainties and create a foundation for collective growth. 3-2 The role of individual growth in societal progress. Personal development significantly impacts broader societal advancements. When individuals strive for empathy and understanding, it ripples into communities and influences collective decision-making. Data from the World Happiness Report shows that nations emphasizing education, equality, and well-being rank higher in global happiness, underlining the connection between personal and societal growth. Finland's education system, which prioritizes holistic student development, demonstrates how investing in individuals can lead to societal progress and innovation. Fostering individual growth ensures that society as a whole becomes more resilient, adaptable, and united in facing future challenges. 3-3 Love and empathy. As the foundations of unity, love and empathy are the cornerstones of a harmonious society. By embracing these values, individuals and groups can transcend divisions and work collaboratively toward shared goals. Psychological studies indicate that practicing empathy reduces conflict and strengthens relationships, a principle that has proven effective in diplomacy and community-building efforts. One example is South Africa's Truth and Reconciliation Commission, which promoted understanding and healing after apartheid, demonstrating the power of empathy-driven solutions. By prioritizing love and empathy, humanity can move beyond divisions and create a future rooted in unity and cooperation. 4. Building a new world, collective action and vision. 4-1 The importance of shared goals for a better future. Humanity must unite around shared objectives. A common vision inspires cooperation and helps overcome challenges more effectively. Studies by the United Nations reveal that global collaboration has significantly reduced extreme poverty and improved access to clean water, demonstrating the power of shared efforts. The success of the Paris Climate Agreement highlights how nations working toward a unified goal can address global challenges like climate change. By aligning efforts across borders, humanity can achieve meaningful progress and create a sustainable, prosperous future. 4-2 Harnessing innovation for global change. Innovation is key to addressing modern challenges and building a better world. Advances in technology and science enable solutions to environmental, social, and economic issues. Reports from the World Economic Forum emphasize the role of renewable energy and digital transformation in achieving sustainable development goals. For example, India's rapid adoption of solar energy showcases how innovation can provide affordable and clean energy to millions, improving lives while protecting the planet. Investing in innovation ensures humanity has the tools to tackle complex problems and thrive in a changing world. 4-3 Empowering communities through collaboration. Empowered communities drive positive change by fostering inclusion, understanding, and resilience. Strong local networks are essential for global transformation. Data from the International Monetary Fund shows that economies with equitable social policies and robust local governance achieve higher growth and stability. Community-based initiatives like the Green Belt movement in Africa demonstrate the impact of grassroots efforts in addressing environmental and social challenges. By supporting local communities and encouraging collaboration, humanity can build a world where all individuals have the opportunity to thrive. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey into a brighter future. If you found this discussion meaningful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments below. Together, we can shape a better tomorrow. See you next time.